back with officially, I think, the most senior member on the team, Tim Hollenshade Sr. That's a belt you wear proud, right?
Somewhat.
Seen a lot of change, a lot of different chapters of Hollenshade's Auto Service. From, you know, how old were you when you first started?
Came out of high school and started working when cars were a lot simpler. And now they're a little more technology based. The new crew, the younger people are more advanced and can do a much better job with it. So it's working in the right direction.
The one thing you remind us of pretty regularly, and you definitely make sure that this is instilled in all the next generation that, you know, he's mentoring coming up through the facility, that, you know, the basics don't change, right? And maybe what would you feel are some of the most, you know, the top few that, you know, will always stand the test of time and no matter what changes with vehicles?
Combustible engine until they go all electric. So you got to remember the basics of a combustible engine.
So more on a day-to-day basis that, you know, we go the extra mile, that, you know, fluid levels are always checked, that, you know, there is a basic checklist. That,
oh yeah, air in the tires, your basic fluids, tire pressure, things that never change.
So we were talking with some of the other members on the team earlier that, you know, the cars are more and more complex, there's more onboard computers, they're monitoring many more things. You know, we went through a lot of change even in the last couple of years, right?
To some degree, yeah. I said it, everything changes slow and the guys know what they're doing here, and I really don't have to babysit them that much, and they seem to do their job.
A lot of the guys, you know, I interviewed, you know, Ken a few months ago. We were talking with Ken and Dave in the back. That's another video out that they'll find on the web. We just talked with Pat, you know, who's been here, you know, over 15 years now, and Christian, one of the newest members on the team, and I think that word right there is what came out of all of them, you know, within the first few sentences was the team. So, I mean, you're more responsible for the culture of this organization than anybody else. You know, what does teamwork mean to you?
Everybody does their job and works together, and they don't argue with each other, and they, if they need help, they know what member of the team to get to diagnose the car in a more efficient manner.
And that's also instilled in those people that have that knowledge or are our leaders in those regards, that they're willing to help.
We've taught everybody to do that, and it's working well right now.